Below is a very detailed textbook-style explanation of Moexipril, written clearly for medical, nursing, or pharmacy study. Each section is expanded with clinical relevance and explanations. 1. Generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name, Moexipril. Drug class, angiotensin-converting enzyme ACE inhibitor. Subclass, antihypertensive agent, brand name, Univasc. Drug forms, oral tablets, 7.5 milligrams, 15 milligrams. Moexipril is available only in oral tablet form and is intended for long-term use. Mammo 2. Definition. Moexipril is an antihypertensive medication that lowers blood pressure by blocking the renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system RAS. It reduces vascular resistance, decreases fluid retention, and improves blood flow, thereby lowering blood pressure and reducing cardiovascular risk. 3. Mechanism of action detailed. Moexipril works through the RAS pathway, which regulates blood pressure and fluid balance. Step-by-step mechanism. 1. Moexipril is administered as an inactive prodrug. It is converted in the liver to the active form Moexiprilet. 3. Moexiprilet inhibits the angiotensin-converting enzyme. 4. This prevents conversion of angiotensin 1, angiotensin 2. 5. Reduced angiotensin 2 leads to vasodilation, relaxed blood vessels, reduced aldosterone secretion, decreased sodium and water retention, lower blood volume and blood pressure. 6. ACE inhibition also prevents breakdown of bradykinin. Increased bradykinin enhances vasodilation, responsible for dry cough and angioedema. Net effect: peripheral resistance, blood pressure. Cardiac workload. Pharmacokinetics, expanded. Absorption, oral bioavailability 13%. Food reduces absorption, so it must be taken on an empty stomach. Peak plasma levels reached in 3 to 6 hours. Distribution, highly protein-bound in plasma, distributed to vascular tissues. Metabolism, converted in the liver to Moexiprilet, active metabolite. Elimination, excreted via kidneys, urine, biliary system, feces. Half-life, Moexiprilat, 2 to 9 hours, prolonged in renal impairment. Special populations, elderly and patients with kidney disease require dose adjustment. Number 5, uses. Long-term treatment of hypertension, used as monotherapy, combination therapy with diuretics or calcium channel blockers. Though primarily indicated for hypertension, controlling BP also helps prevent stroke, myocardial infarction, kidney damage. Indications. Moexipril is indicated for essential primary hypertension, blood pressure reduction in adults, patients who cannot tolerate other antihypertensives. Number 7, contraindications, explained. Moexipril must not be used in patients with 1. History of angioedema, life-threatening airway swelling. 2. Pregnancy, causes fetal kidney failure, skull defects, or death. 3. Hypersensitivity to ACE inhibitors. 4. Hereditary or idiopathic angioedema. 5. Diabetic patients taking L-ascarin, increased risk of kidney failure and hypotension. 8. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Medical conditions requiring caution. Renal artery stenosis, risk of acute renal failure, chronic kidney disease, drug accumulation, heart failure, exaggerated BP drop, volume depletion, diuretics, dehydration, liver impairment, hyperkalemia, elderly patients. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Pregnancy category D, contraindicated due to fetal toxicity. Breastfeeding, use caution. 9. How to use, take orally, take 1 hour before meals, take at the same time every day, do not crush or chew tablets, continue therapy even if BP is controlled. 10. Dosing information. Adult hypertension. Initial dose, 7.5 milligrams once daily. Maintenance dose, 7.5 to 30 milligrams per day. Maximum dose, 30 milligrams day. Can be given once daily, divided into 2 doses. Renal impairment, start at lower doses. Monitor creatinine and potassium 11. Miss dose and overdose. Miss dose, take as soon as remembered. Skip if next dose is near. Never double the dose. Overdose symptoms, severe hypotension, dizziness, fainting, shock. Management, IV fluids, blood pressure monitoring, supportive care. 12. Stop or avoid taking, do not stop abruptly, may cause rebound hypertension. Avoid potassium supplements, salt substitutes containing potassium, excessive alcohol, NSAIDs, ibuprofen, naproxen. Number 13, side effects. Common, dry persistent cough, dizziness, fatigue, headache, hypotension, especially first dose. Serious medical emergency, angioedema, severe hypotension, hyperkalemia, acute kidney injury, Liver dysfunction, rare. 14. Vital information, key warnings. Black box warning. Pregnancy, monitor. Blood pressure, renal function, BUN, creatinine, potassium levels. Cough may require discontinuation. Angioedema can occur anytime during therapy. 15. Other drugs that will affect Moexipril. Increased potassium levels. Spironolactone, amiloride, potassium supplements. Increased toxicity, lithium levels. Reduce effectiveness, NSAIDs. Increase hypotension risk, diuretics, other antihypertensives, alcohol. Thank you. Have a nice day.